Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by charging both devices to at least 50% before pairing. This prevents interruptions during setup and saves time. Next, check that your phone runs a compatible OS version for the Watch app. Install the companion app like Wear OS or Galaxy Wearable from your App Store now. Enable Bluetooth on the phone and keep the screen unlocked during pairing. Turn on the watch and keep it near the phone within 3 feet. If available, enable NFC or Wi-Fi for faster setup and updates. Open the companion app on your phone and choose Pair New Device. Follow the on-screen prompts until a numeric code appears on both devices. Confirm the numeric code matches before you accept the connection request. Tap Allow to grant permissions for notifications, location, and contacts to the app. Accept any system dialogues to enable Bluetooth and location for reliable connectivity. If prompted, enter your Google or account credentials to sync data and apps. Wait while the phone and watch complete initial data transfer. After pairing, open the Watch app to set notification and sync preferences. Choose which apps send alerts and the frequency of health data sync. Customize watch faces and quick settings to match your daily routine. If pairing fails after 3 attempts, reboot both devices and try again. You can also reset network settings on the phone to clear Bluetooth caches. As a last resort, unpair the watch, factory reset it, and repeat the pairing process from the start. Enjoy using your connected watch once sync completes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.